So the name of our band is Nine Bach, and Nine Bach, nine means grandmother in North Wales, Bach means small, so in theory it means small grandmother, but it's also a term of endearment, so it's also a play on language, how something can mean something so meaningless, like the number 9 in one language, and mean something, you know, warm and cosy, like your grandmother in another language. And so it's a play on words. Tincian, which is the name of the album, means, well, it's got lots of meanings really. Kind of, it's a special sound, it's kind of to ring, to resonate, to clink, to clank. It's kind of metallic in sound, quite industrial, but it's also quite a clear sound. And it also, depending on what area of Wales you're from, like in Bethesda, it means, you know, you can say that you gave someone such a talking to that his head was Tincian. So it's like almost like a cartoon image of someone's head being kind of, you know, doing kind of thing, if that makes sense. It also can mean, you know, that someone's steaming, you know, or very drunk, or like it's quite of, you know, it's quite a kind of aggressive, can be, you know, emotion. But it's an old word as well that it's not often used anymore. So it's kind of a dying word.